Hi! Welcome to Full Course Online. Is your phone constantly running out of space? In this video, I'll show you 5 easy ways to free up space on your Android phone without losing the stuff you actually care about. Let's get started. One of the best tools you can use is the Files by Google app. If it's not already on your phone, grab it from the Play Store. It's free. Once you open it, if it asks for permission, allow it. The app will scan your phone and show you safe suggestions to clear up space, like junk files, duplicate files, large videos, or unused apps. Now let's look at something we often forget: downloads and WhatsApp media. Open your file manager or the Files app and go to the Downloads folder. There's a good chance it's full of PDFs, zip files, or videos you only open once. Go through and delete whatever you don't need anymore. Then, open WhatsApp. Tap the 3 dots in the corner. Go to Settings. Then Storage and Data. And tap on Manage Storage. WhatsApp will show you which chats are taking up the most space. You can delete unnecessary photos, videos, and voice notes directly from there. It's quick and makes a huge difference. Photos and videos can be massive storage hogs. If your phone has an SD card slot, move your photos and videos there to free up internal storage. If not, cloud backup is a great option. Open the Google Photos app. Go to Settings. And turn on Backup and Sync. Once everything's backed up, you'll see an option to free up space. Apps also store temporary data called cache, which can pile up fast. You can clear this without deleting your personal data. Go to Settings, then Apps. Tap on an app like Instagram, YouTube, or Chrome. Now tap on Storage, then Clear Cache. It's safe and helps recover space. Repeat this for apps that handle lots of media or web data. Some system apps that came pre-installed can't be removed, but they do take up space through updates. You probably don't use them, but they're still sitting there. To fix this, go to Settings, then Apps. Pick one of those apps you never use. Tap the 3-dot menu on the top right, and choose Uninstall Updates. And that's it.